Dub Copy Trading App Review 2025. Is it legit or a risk? You won't believe how many investors think copy trading is a shortcut to profit. Dub lets users automatically mirror experienced traders, but is it legit or risky in 2025? Dub allows users to select a trader and automatically replicate their trades in real time. The surprising truth is transparency. You can view performance history, risk levels, and portfolio strategies before copying. Most people get this wrong by blindly following traders without research, which increases risk. One advantage is convenience. New investors gain exposure to markets without building strategies from scratch. You won't believe what happens next when following top traders accelerates learning about market behavior passively. However, copy trading carries real risk. Past performance does not guarantee future results, and fees or spreads can impact returns. Relying solely on others may slow personal skill development. In conclusion, Dub is legitimate as a tool but must be used wisely. Treat it as a learning platform plus exposure, not guaranteed income. For informed users, it can be a helpful part of a 2025 investing strategy.